Hello friends, today is Monday and today was holiday, so our market is closed, and now we will do chart analysis of Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty for the intraday, that means for tomorrow coming day. So as you can see here, this is the daily chart of Nifty 50 and this one is the previous support, that is around 8,800, and Nifty 50 has made two tops, previous tops. First one is around 9,600 and second one is around 9,800 almost. So this is the trend line. I have matched these 2 points and draw one trend line, and this is the base support. So we can say that Nifty 50 trading in a descending triangle, bearish descending triangle. Am I right? So this is the daily chart. Now we'll see hourly chart of Nifty 50. Daily chart means your broader picture, but right now this is the smaller picture. So we can see that Nifty 50 is trading in a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low trend, and right now Nifty 50 has made a higher low and ready to go up for the intraday. So I'll draw one more trend line from these points and draw this trend line, right? So this is the trend on 60 minutes. But one more thing, if I'll click on line chart, then you can see here, this is my shoulder 1, this is my head, and this one is my shoulder 2. So this is the inverted head and shoulder. If I'll draw this trend line like this, and if I draw this is the shoulder 1, this one is head, my shoulders, head and shoulders, inverted head and shoulders, head, and now this one is the shoulder 2. So we can say that Nifty 50 has made shoulder 1, shoulder 2 and 50% of shoulder 2, shoulder 1 head and shoulder 2 50%. So it is now ready to complete their inverted head and shoulder chart pattern. And one more thing, if Nifty 50 cross this trend line and closed above this trend line, so inverted head and shoulder will be confirmed. So our target will be this difference between neckline and bottom of the head. So our target will be this from breakout point. Am I right? So we have to wait. But one more thing, I am 99% damn sure Nifty will go up to complete their second shoulder. So we can take a buy call from the current levels with the stop loss of the small bottom. This is the small bottom. So we can take a buy call for intraday trading based on these chart patterns. So now we'll see Bank Nifty analysis for the intraday for tomorrow. Today is 25th May and tomorrow is 26th May. So we are doing analysis for 26th May, and that is the intraday analysis. So this one is the broader picture, that is the daily time frame of Bank Nifty. And right now you can see here Bank Nifty has closed exactly near the support, that is around 17,300. Okay, and overall trend in Bank Nifty is totally downtrend. So now we'll see hourly time frame. So you can see here Bank Nifty is trading in a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and this is the lower low, and exactly close near the daily support and made here morning star. It is not 100% morning star, but we can say that this is the morning star and ready to show bounce, but here is a little bit resistance around here. This one is the resistance on hourly time frame. So first resistance is around 17,500. So once Bank Nifty will cross these levels and close above on hourly time frame, so we can expect next target of this top, that is the 18,000, and next one is 18,200. So this is the Bank Nifty hourly chart analysis. If you see RSI, then RSI is also oversold, so we can buy. We have to see volumes of the last hour. Then last 2 hours volume was good in Bank Nifty, so we can take a buy call. But as per my study, I am very bullish on Nifty as compared to Bank Nifty. Nifty is more strong than the Bank Nifty. And if we see banking stocks, then more banking stocks are in a fully downtrend, like your RBL Bank, SBI Bank, ICICI Bank. So we have to more concentrated on Nifty 50. So I hope you have understand this analysis. Thank you friends, keep in touch. Please like, share, subscribe our video and share with your friends. Subscribe our channel and click on bell icon. Thank you. Keep in touch for more videos. Bye bye.